Welcome. If you've ever wondered exactly when you became friends with someone on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view the date you added a friend on Snapchat, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main camera screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your Snap score, trophies, and more. Next, scroll down until you find the My Friends section. Tap on My Friends to see a list of everyone you're connected with on Snapchat. Now, scroll through your list and find the friend whose friendship date you want to check. Once you've found them, press and hold down on their name. A menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on View Friendship. This will take you to your friendship profile, a special page that shows details unique to your connection with that friend. Now, here's the important part. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the friendship profile. Right at the bottom, you'll see the exact date you became friends with this person on Snapchat. It's that easy. This date shows when you both accepted each other's friend requests and officially connected on the app. Remember, this feature is available for all your friends, so you can repeat these steps for anyone in your list. It's a great way to look back and see how long your Snapchat friendships have lasted. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends who might want to check their own friendship dates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your Snapchat memories.